Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Joining in international condemnation, Qatar has called for the immediate release of deposed Egyptian President Mohamed Morsi. On June 16th, an Egyptian court upheld Morsi's death sentence along with those of 90 other members of the Muslim Brotherhood. The United States also condemned the decision, describing it as a politically motivated sentence. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan described the verdicts as a massacre of law and basic rights. The press office of UN Chief Ban Ki-moon warned that such verdicts hold negative impact on the long-term stability in Egypt. Meanwhile, the Muslim Brotherhood has called for mass demonstrations on June 19th to protest against the court ruling. President Mahmoud Abbas has called for the resignation of the Hamas-Fatah unity government within the next 24 hours. Hamas referred to the dissolution as a unilateral move by Abbas, who announced the decision during a Fatah-only council meeting without prior consultation with other groups. Abbas is to meet with Prime Minister Rami Hamdallah to determine whether to form a new government or reshuffle the cabinet.
I am officially running for President of the United States.
Billionaire businessman Donald Trump has announced his Republican candidacy for the 2016 presidential election. Trump enters the race with a campaign slogan, "Make America Great Again." Included in his electoral platform are trans-Pacific trade deals, tackling unemployment, the controversial building of a fence along the U.S.-Mexico border, and a concrete plan to defeat ISIS. The Vatican has announced that defrocked former papal ambassador to the Dominican Republic, Joseph Wesolowski, is to be tried for sexual abuse of minors and possession of child pornography. Having served since 2008, he was recalled in August 2013 when a police investigation began after allegations surfaced against him. Pope Francis has promised to follow up on allegations and created a new tribunal to try bishops accused of covering up sex crimes. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.